welcome back to my channel. This is NK. Welcome to a brand new vlog. Today's vlog, we are building things. We're gonna put stuff away. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. I post life in New York City, my New York City apartment journey, and I honestly just keep it real on the internet. Waiting for my TaskRabbit to arrive. Building our media console today. My TV will finally not be on the floor anymore. I'm wearing a very flowy outfit. This has been my fixation meal. I went to the gym this morning. Alexa, play Spotify.
Okay, here's Spotify.
You were the first TaskRabbit I've ever, I've never used TaskRabbit, so I didn't know that.
Pay for then, okay?
Great.
All right.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Here is the media cabinet. I like it. I really, really like it. I also really like how it looks with the rug specifically. All right, coming along. That was quite the chaotic hour, but let's talk about what we did. So we did the media cabinet and he helped me put the legs on the TV. I actually really like the size of the TV. I mean, I could see myself getting one a little bigger, but we'll see. For now, that's not the highest priority, but I like it so far. We got the rug. I love this texture. Honestly, the bed is looking so elevated, which we love. Love it. Okay, I'm tired and I didn't really do that much. Oh my gosh. Okay. Progress is being made. I love the rattan, I don't know if I'm saying that right. So I have my coffee table books right here. One side is for my reading books and then the other side, oh my gosh, is for my journals. Thinking of getting a plant, like a faux plant. I can do a small table right here. I have this vase that I got like a month ago. I have not put any flowers in it, so I need to do that. Progress has been made. Do we see this? I have my shoe wall. And here are all my boots. And then I have more shoes down here. It looks so organized and put together. This is kind of not super organized, but I put more hooks on the side here to have my hats and my purses. Oh, I'm very, very, very thankful for all this closet space. And then my third closet right here. Now I really have like an open up top. I was debating if I wanted to put some racks up here. I don't think I need them, especially because I have that one, but if I do need them in the future, I can always buy one. I need to go get some lunch. Okay, yeah.
You know, you come by, I gotta come. Yeah.
Thank you. You too. Bye. Nice to meet you. Strawberry matcha. I went to this place called Philip Coffee. But like capture the moment. Hi. Thank you. You too. Bye. The windows are open, so just ignore the roaring sound. This is the most girlhood Trader Joe's haul I could have ever done. 2 bouquets of tulips, eucalyptus for the shower, chocolate chip cookies. These are so good. I'm gonna end off the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed today. I feel like I'm really leaning into romanticizing the everyday because there is so many things to be thankful for, no matter what. I'm happy that I got to show you guys some apartment updates as well. Now we're gonna figure out what else we are going to get. I think I'm gonna put in some orders tonight. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you are new here. Thumbs up this video as well. That always helps me a lot and supports the creators that you enjoy watching. And I will see you guys in my next one.